Welcome back. I found some key differences that almost no one talks about. So watch to the end or you'll miss the most important part.
Let's go straight into pricing, starting with Notion. Notion uses a freemium subscription model that scales depending on how you use it. Individual users can start for free, which includes unlimited pages and blocks, but with limits on file uploads, version history, and collaboration controls. As soon as you want advanced features like larger uploads, longer page history, team permissions, and admin tools, you need to move to a paid plan. Notion's pricing is billed monthly or annually and increases based on the number of users, which makes it particularly suited for teams, startups, and collaborative workspaces, rather than solo, offline users. Now moving to Evernote pricing. Evernote also operates on a subscription model, but with a stronger focus on individual productivity. The free plan is very limited, restricting device sync, note counts, and features. Paid plans unlock core functionality such as multi-device sync, offline access, advanced search, PDF annotation, and task management. Compared to Notion, Evernote's pricing is more rigid and has increased over time, which has caused some users to reassess its value. From a pricing perspective, Notion offers more flexibility for teams, while Evernote charges specifically for productivity depth and convenience. Now let's move into Notion features. Notion is built as an all-in-one workspace that combines notes, databases, tasks, wikis, and collaboration tools into a single platform. Pages in Notion can contain text, images, tables, Kanban boards, calendars, embeds, and linked databases. This modular system allows users to build custom workflows for project management, content planning, CRM systems, and internal documentation. One of Notion's biggest strengths is its database engine. Databases can be filtered, sorted, related, and displayed in multiple views, making Notion extremely powerful for structured information. Real-time collaboration allows multiple users to work in the same workspace, leave comments, assign tasks, and track progress. Templates help users get started quickly, and integrations with other tools expand functionality. In real-world usage, Notion tends to reward users who enjoy designing systems rather than simply taking notes. Over time, dashboards, databases, and linked pages can evolve into full operating systems for work or personal life. However, this flexibility comes with responsibility. Without intentional structure, workspaces can become cluttered and slow. Users who invest time in planning layouts, naming conventions, and permissions get the most value, while those looking for instant structure may feel overwhelmed as their workspace grows. Now for Notion's pros and cons. On the positive side, Notion offers incredible flexibility, strong collaboration, visual organization, and an all-in-one workspace approach. It's ideal for teams and users who like to build systems. On the downside, Notion depends heavily on internet connectivity, requires a subscription for serious use, can become slow with large databases, and offers limited data ownership compared to tools like Evernote. Now let's move into Evernote features, where the focus shifts from system building to fast, reliable information capture. Evernote is designed as a digital filing cabinet for notes, documents, and web content. Users can capture notes using text, images, PDFs, audio recordings, and web clippings, making Evernote especially useful for collecting information from many sources in one place. Evernote's strongest feature is its search capability. The app can search inside PDFs, images, and scanned documents using OCR, allowing users to find information quickly even in large note libraries. Notes are organized using notebooks, tags, and stacks, which makes it easy to categorize information without building complex systems. Evernote also includes task management features that allow users to attach to-dos directly to notes. Evernote syncs across desktop and mobile devices, supports offline access on paid plans, and integrates with email, browsers, and productivity tools. The interface is straightforward and familiar, which reduces the learning curve compared to Notion. Evernote excels at quick capture, reference storage, and retrieval, rather than deep customization. Now for Evernote's pros and cons. On the positive side, Evernote offers excellent search, strong document handling, fast note capture, and a simple organizational model. It's ideal for users who want their notes to just work. On the downside, Evernote's pricing is higher than many alternatives. The free plan is very limited, and customization options are fewer compared to Notion. Some users also feel innovation has slowed compared to newer tools. Now let's talk about ratings. Based on publicly available listings on Capterra, both Notion and Evernote receive strong feedback. Notion is praised for flexibility and collaboration, while Evernote scores highly for search, reliability, and information capture. Official ratings may vary by plan and region, so it's always best to review the most recent feedback directly on Capterra. In daily workflows, Evernote shines when information needs to be captured quickly and retrieved later without friction. Users often rely on it as a long-term digital archive for receipts, research, meeting notes, and web clippings. The strength of Evernote lies in trust and familiarity rather than experimentation. While it may not feel as modern or customizable as newer tools, many users value its stability, predictable behavior, and ability to surface old information instantly when it's needed most. Final takeaway: if you want an all-in-one collaborative workspace where you can build custom systems, Notion is the better choice. If you want fast note capture, powerful search, and a reliable personal knowledge archive, Evernote stands out. If this comparison helped, like the video, subscribe to the channel for more productivity software breakdowns, and click the link below to access Notion or Evernote, and choose the tool that fits your workflow best.